Okay, kiddos, hello. I'm double recording stuff. So, if you're watching this, you should have done the brain pop video of what nouns are. You're going to watch this video next, and then you're going to do this assignment. This assignment will be for September 21st. You're going to do 3 different types of nouns. And I'm going to kind of help you with the adjectives that need to be capitalized. I haven't taught you that yet. And I created what's known as, you see up here, TLS version. I made a copy. And I'm going to go back in and see if you guys get the TLS version, because I may have to do something a little different, because the TLS version is my version that I do these examples on. Just TLS stands are my initials, Tide Leon Shornack. So, directions, I want you to highlight in blue the singular nouns, highlight in orange the plural nouns, and highlight in red the collective nouns. Now, the only thing I didn't mess with you in those notes is collective nouns. Collective nouns are a word that looks like a singular noun, but shows it's a singular noun, but that singular noun has a whole group or a plethora of people or things in it, like class, team, group, family. So we're going to highlight in blue the singular nouns. How you highlight is you go up here to the highlight color. I'm going to click on blue. And we're going to do the first question together, or the first sentence. So Mr. Morton was very pleased with his students. So Mr. Morton is a singular noun because it's just one person. So what you do is you highlight Mr. Morton. You go over here to highlight color, you click on it. And that's fine. That works perfect. Now, was very pleased with his students. His is a pronoun. We're not worrying about his because that's a pronoun. But students is a noun. Now, again, we're going to highlight students. And since we see it ends with an S, that usually denotes that it's a plural. So we're going to go up here to the orange color. So that's done. Let's help you with one of them in number 2. So, this class is amazing and deserves rewards, said Morton. So, I'm going to click on class. I'm going to highlight that red. Because class is a collective noun. Again, when we say class demeans that, demeans is a verb meaning or being mean to you. Denotes that it's more than one person or thing for a class. So that's how you do this assignment. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 nouns in the first 5 sentences. The next part, you're going to highlight in purple. I'm just checking to see if anything's in my meeting. Nope. You're going to highlight in purple the concrete nouns. Highlight in yellow the abstract nouns. Do not worry about highlighting proper nouns or the pronouns. Remember, concrete nouns are things that we can physically see, smell, taste, touch, hear with our five senses. An abstract noun is something that we can't see, we can only denote. So, Jen and David have been on a raft for weeks. Again, we are not going to highlight Jane or David because those are proper nouns. We know a noun is proper because it is capitalized. But we see the noun raft. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to highlight that purple because we can see a raft. We can sit in a raft and feel a raft. Weeks is a noun. It's actually an object of the preposition because 4 weeks is a prepositional phrase. I'll teach you that. Probably about 5 or 6 weeks. I'm going to go up here. Did I say yellow? I did. Because weeks is abstract. We can't literally see weeks. We can't literally feel weeks. We can't literally hear weeks. We can't literally smell weeks. We can't literally taste weeks. And I know I'm going to have a kid saying, well, we can see weeks on a calendar, Mr. Sornak. Well, that denotes what a week is because we see it on a calendar. I hope this helps on this. Now, again, told you we have 15 in here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There is 11 in this 5. Last one. Capitalize nouns and adjectives that need to be capitalized. Remember, proper nouns are names of specific person, places, or things. So instead of man, I could say Ty. Instead of girl, we could say Sandy. Instead of team, we could say Denver Broncos, which we've capitalized Denver because that's the name of a city. Capitalized Broncos because that's the name of the specific team. Yeah, place. If we're saying just city, we don't say I live in this city. We don't capitalize the city. But if we say I live in Pueblo, we would capitalize Pueblo. So, for number 1, there's only one word that needs to be capitalized. This is technically not a noun. It's a pronoun, but you should know what to do here. So I'm going to do number 4 with you because this one's kind of tough. So if we look at Kyle tied his Nike Air Force Ones, ate a Big Mac, and drank a cherry Coke. Well, Kyle's capitalized because Kyle's the name of a person specifically. Kyle's also capitalized because it's the first word in the sentence. I just gave you an answer to one of these. So, tied his Nike Air Force Ones, ate a Big Mac, and drank a cherry Coke. We're going to capitalize Nike because Nike is the name of a company. And we're going to capitalize Air because even though Air is actually an adjective, it is a part of a proper noun, just like force is an adjective for the ones. Because air is an adjective for force, which is an adjective for ones in this sentence. But Nike Air Force One is the name of a specific brand of shoes. Like we said, Nike Air Jordans. 8, a Big Mac. Capitalize Big and Mac because this is the name of a specific hamburger or cheeseburger. The Big Mac is McDonald's signature hamburger or cheeseburger. And drank a cherry Coke. Again, we capitalized cherry because it's the name of a specific Coke. Like if we said Coke Zero, Vanilla Coke, Coke One, whatever. We capitalize those. Again, I said there are 15 here, 11 here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There's 21 in this 5. So 15 plus 11 plus 21 is 46. So that's what this assignment is worth. Again, if you have any questions after you've watched this video and doing this assignment, please message me. Again, not doing what you're supposed to do because you didn't watch this video, not doing it right, and then me giving you the grade does not mean that I may just let you redo it because you didn't do it right. Again, you have to watch these videos, kids. So do what I asked of you. Like when I go into something, this is my fake student. Again, do not just look at everything right here. If you go into my classroom rules or my about me's, all you're going to do is you're going to see the assignment. You're not going to see how to do it. So, again, you went to Tuesday, you watched the sentence video. You watched me do the video. You played Jeopardy. Then you went to Wednesday. You did this worksheet, remember? You hit edit. You do what I ask. And then you submit. I don't know why Firefox can't open that in a new window. Because it's looking at something different. That's okay. Again, I hope that makes sense. Again, if it doesn't, message me through Schoolology after you've watched this video before you do the assignment. Thank you.